Are you considering moving from the city to the suburbs? I'm Johanneson with Properties Christie's International Real Estate. I'm going to take you on a tour through some of the best western suburbs that offer easy train access as well as really cool downtowns. We're going to start here today in Wheaton, Illinois, which is the first suburb I lived in after living in downtown Chicago. To get to downtown Chicago and back, there's an express train that'll only take you 45 minutes. Wheaton is a town of over 50,000 people. Great town, let's go check it out. Restaurants are found right here on Hale Street, where there's amazing outdoor seating for all the restaurants, but this one in particular has the best rooftop and incredible Italian food, as well as it's a family-owned restaurant. If you want really good burgers and get inspiration for a really cool backsplash, Burger Social's where it's at. I'm now at Maple. An interesting fact about Maple is they have a lower level, members only bourbon lounge. And last but not least, the Ivy. The Ivy used to be a church and it was transformed into a high-end restaurant. You should check it out. It has an amazing outdoor seating and oftentimes live music. Wheaton is a wonderful western suburb. You could have everything from condos to townhomes, newly constructed homes, as well as some amazing historic homes. If you're looking for a realtor who truly understands all that Wheaton has to offer, give me a call.